and now trade off this altitude for energy as the airspeed builds up to over 200, 250, 260, now approaching 300 miles an hour. And look at those control surfaces rolling in one way, then the other gyroscopically, so that when he gets to the top and all of those inputs bleed off energy, create drag, he gets turned around the other way, right over show center. Now precisely heading down, he rolls right side up. Feet from the ground, takes everything he can get out of it, and starts to gyroscopically roll again on the way up. And when he gets to the very top, he starts to convert this energy now as the airspeed builds up. Inches from the ground, using all of the aerobatic body. Better known as Super Dave in the airshow community, voted the #1 aerobatic pilot in Canada by his mom. So it's got to be true, right?
Super.
Full-time professional and airshow pilot, flying commercially for 27 years, logged over 16,000 hours of flying time. If he gets to the very top of the aerobatic box this time, he's just going to sit and continue to roll, the torque roll, and then get flipped around out of the smoke, reconnected and flying again. He was born in Hamilton, Ontario. Started flying with the Royal Canadian Air Cadets at the age of 15. Started in gliders, got his first float flying job at the age of 18. With more than 16,000 hours of commercial flying, Davis flew bush planes on floats for most of his career, including BJ-18 Yours with the Hamlin Beaver, Otter, Twin Otter, Buffalo, and Dash 8.